morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are actually, it's pretty early. It's 9:30. Normally don't wake up before 11, so
As
this
you
is
saw
surprising.
Earlier when I was recording and Stephanie was still asleep and I couldn't wake her up. Stephanie, good morning. She doesn't want to wake up. Alright, we'll work on this.
You filmed me?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Anyway, so today we're headed to Malibu and we're gonna go hiking, and then after we hike we're gonna go to the beach. And yeah, I think we're pretty excited. This is Brian's first time in Malibu, so it's gonna be fun. What's up? We are hiking and we are in Calabasas? Malibu?
I think we're technically in Malibu.
Okay.
But we are at the Malibu State Creek Park, Malibu Creek State Park, something like that, whatever. But it's beautiful here. Look at all this nature. Look at all the nature. No, but really, it is beautiful here. We're ready to start some hiking. Got a big mountain. So we're not really gonna go up the mountain, but there's some cool stuff around here. We're gonna take some cool pictures and have a nice day. You know, work up a sweat before we go jump in the beach to cool off later.
I'm excited for that.
There are a lot of people here, but I don't see the people really yet because I mean it's a hiking. Oh my god, 4 people! Don't move. No. So there's a lot of hiking trails and stuff. So I'm sure we'll barely run into people when we're actually out and about. Plus, we're safe. We're being cautious. And there are some people hiking with their masks on. That's crazy.
Flip it and show it.
So yeah, here's where we're walking right now. Walking down the trail, or the road to the trails. We're enjoying this beautiful Memorial Day weather. So we're cruising along. We're near, I think we're near like the top of where this trail is. It's a pretty big trail, but it had some, definitely had some steep incline there for a while. So we definitely got really tired. We're both definitely really out of shape.
Hey!
Okay, we're both huffing and puffing, let's put it that way. And sweating up a storm. It's also like 90 something degrees out, so good for us. But lookout trail. That is a steep trail. Going up those hills. Hell no. The butterfly wanted to get on camera. Wow. This is beautiful in here. This is peaceful and beautiful. There's no one around here. Yeah, just on the side of the road right now. So as you can clearly see, we're at the beach, and it's peaceful, and it's nice, and it's not that crowded. So we're just chilling and hanging out at the beach right now, eating our sandwiches and taking in the sunlight, and so overall just relaxing, you know, it's peaceful, it's a beach day.
It's so nice here, like I'm so excited to move here and this be like our beach.
Oh yeah. We're moving, like everyone knows, we're moving to the LA region in a few months, so this will be much closer than a 2.5 hour drive from where we came from, but it's really not that populated, so it's a good thing we did. I can't imagine like any of the major beaches right now, La Jolla or Oceanside, being this empty, especially on a day where no one's working. Memorial Day, yeah. So I mean, really, if you look around, like, occasionally people walk past and stuff, but overall it's pretty empty beach area right in front of us. So let's kick our feet in the sand and enjoy the weather.
Oh, god, I literally thought he got wrecked. Oh my gosh, he's crazy. The water is literally, I think, like 40 degrees. I'm not even kidding. Oh shit. Oh fuck. There he goes. I forgot there's zoom, so then I don't have to go in the freaking water. So, how was it?
Knocking for a noggin there for a second.
Don't get close to me. You're literally, I can feel the coldness on you. No! Hey guys, we're really tired. We were just at the beach for a while, and now we're getting a little tired.
Okay.
We're headed home.
Stephanie's all tired.
I'm tired.
Your boy's driving again for another 3 hours, so.
I'm so tired. I
had to wake her up this morning, being tired. She didn't have to drive up 3 hours. Then we went for the hike. Then I have to drive a half hour to the beach. And then we're at the beach. And now I'm driving 3 hours home. She's a sleepy little princess. So that's what it is.
Yeah, that's just your life now. Well, that's your life. That's what your life has been.
Yeah, pretty much.
But yeah, we're headed home now. It's been a really good day. We're gonna head home, probably get some sushi, and just chill out, probably watch a movie, just relax. We don't have anything really to do tomorrow either, so we're probably just gonna chill.
I'm gonna stream. Twitch.tv/Riddlemeister.
Yeah, go watch him stream. He's been streaming Minecraft mornings, and he's been playing this new game called Witcher.
Yeah, I've been playing The Witcher, the first one. I haven't played any of the Witcher series or the trilogy before. So this is the first time I'm playing them. I'm doing a playthrough of all of them right now, all 3 of them. And then I might toss some Grand Theft Auto in.
I love Grand Theft
Some
Auto.
other Xbox games and PC games here and there. You know, I don't really know. I'll take requests occasionally. So
yeah, so he's been streaming